Just last time, July 25th, 2025, I started. July 25th, 2025, I started. So can you please guess what may be the reason in July 25th, 2025? Any specialty is there in that?
Lucky number is 7. That's all.
Yeah, my lucky number is the 7. Okay, that's why most of the times, and if any date matched with the 7, if any day associated with Friday, the day is the Friday, usually I'm always going to take good things. But that was my earlier story. But now, no sentiments. Every day is a good day. Every day is a good day. Slowly, the changes are happening. Okay? But anyway, that was special. So before that, my knowledge was limited. But now, my knowledge, of course, improved to the next level. Okay? Because 13 books. Reading is the different. Handling is the different. Okay, 13 books I can complete within a month or within 2 months. But handling in the session, the biggest advantage what I'm going to get is the concepts are going to be injected like anything. The concepts are going to be reflected in our day-to-day life. Correct, right? For you people also. If you read a book, if you listen the sessions, are you seeing the difference? Yes, friends.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing the difference? If you just read a book, if you attend the sessions, yes, there is a bigger difference there in the understanding. Next, in the way of behaving, in the way of applying in our daily routines, there is a bigger difference by default will be there. Okay, that's why compulsory, lifetime. You require to give commitment to yourself. Every day, at least few minutes, I'm going to learn some new thing. Irrespective of your situation. Every day, at least 2 points I'm going to learn. At least 2 points I'm going to learn. Okay, at least 2 minutes I'm going to spend on learning some new thing. Like you people should require to think about that. It is highly recommended, dosto. Getting right?